Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is your latest tropical update on, the Atlantic Basin, I guess, for June 5th. It's Pentecost. Severe tropical storm Alex, now located between Florida and Bermuda, making its way towards Bermuda with heavy rain associated with it. As we can see, a very sheared tropical cyclone, nonetheless, heavy convection near the center of the storm and a line of storms associated with it down to Cuba. If we take a look here at the zoomed in version of the satellite, we can really see that shear, but we can also see that it has a more proper center than it did yesterday, hence it finally getting the name Alex on this storm. So Tropical Storm Alex now with winds of 65 miles an hour, pressure down to 991 millibars, significantly strengthening since yesterday. It'll pass near Bermuda tomorrow morning around probably around 10 a.m. or so, expecting 2 to 3 inches of rain for Bermuda. And that's kind of that story. It'll slowly lose its tropical characteristics as it remains sheared and then begin to dissipate out. What we're looking at right now is the possibility of slightly stronger winds than what it has right now. The window for that is sort of decreasing, but nonetheless, some decently strong winds remain in play here near the storm. As I said, 65 miles an hour, that's 10 away from being a hurricane. We are dealing with things here. Tropical storm warning, like I said, for Bermuda. It's going to pass just north of Bermuda, where tropical storm force winds are all but likely there. And so, or I guess all but guaranteed, really. So that will likely be the occurrence there. And again, it passes north, begins to weaken and dissipate out. And that's all we have to talk about today. Nothing else in the Atlantic of note. See storms firing over the plains today, but that's really all we have in the Atlantic Ocean. I'm sure we'll have more later this season. A very active season expected, one of the most active on record, according to what we're expecting based off of the current El Nino cycle, which is El Nino is very unlikely. So a very likely chance that the Atlantic is strong this year in terms of its performance of number of tropical cyclones. So again, we'll continue to watch all this over the course of time, and I'll be here to hold your hand through the storms throughout the season. That's for now. Chris Sixon for Weather Catholic Media.